Alright, hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making a French bread pizza. So what we've done in advance is we've preheated our oven to 350 degrees. We've cut our French loaves in half. We've got the baking sheet has been sprayed with a little non-stick spray. I'm going to drizzle these with just a little bit of olive oil over the top. Let those hang out while we work on our sauce. So I've got some oil heating up until it just starts to shimmer. You're seeing just a touch of smoke. That's what we want. So we're going to go in with our onion. Just going to begin to let those down. Add a pinch of salt. Also going to go in with our green bell pepper. A couple cracks of fresh cracked black pepper. Alright, so these have begun to sweat nicely. I'm going to put in a little bit of my garlic powder with a little bit of oregano in here too, just to season those slightly. We're going to put the rest in just a few minutes. Give it a quick stir. And make a little bit of a well in the center. I'm going to go in with our shredded turkey, just to get a little bit of color on it. It's already cooked, but we're really just going to kind of heat it up, give it just a little bit more flavor. Couple of cracks of pepper. Incorporate all that. Now we have a marinara sauce. I'm going to let these cook together for just a second. Add our spice mixture in. We'll go into the rest. Turn the heat down to low. I'm going to add our mushrooms. And a splash of water. Pinch of our cheese that we're going to use to top our pizza with. We're going to let this simmer, let the mushrooms soften. And basically what this is almost like a turkey ragu. So we're going to let this cook together for a few minutes. Alright, so our ragu is cooked and it's ready to go on our French bread. Again, like we said before, our oven is preheated to 350 degrees. I'm going to spoon some on, and then we'll spread it out. It's going to be a very hearty pizza. The mushrooms, the turkey, all of our veggies. You got such a nice loaf of French bread too, you don't want to load it down too much. Still keep the integrity of the nice bread. Okay, so we have the ragu spread out. We're going to sprinkle it with cheese, put it in the oven until the cheese gets nice and melty. You could even add some fresh herbs in, like some fresh basil on top, or some fresh oregano, or a little bit of both. We've got oregano in our spice mixture, but it never hurts to throw some fresh herbs in as well, so feel free to do that at home. Alright, topped with our cheese. They're ready to go into the oven. Alright, we've just pulled our French bread pizzas out of the oven. The cheese is nice and melted. The bread is crispy, so this is ready to cut and serve. So we'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.